Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Total Quality Management course. Today we are going to discuss about motivation, empowerment, team and teamwork. So coming to the motivation in TQM, for anything we have to drive individually to achieve personal and the organization goal. We need certain motivation which will have the goal, which will have the main attitude of the person or organization. The success will be automatically come once the motivation is done properly. It will bridge the gap between the potential and the performance, and it will lead to the recognition and the reward, sustained motivation. It is the supporting factor of the quality and the achievement of the companies or the organization. It is the performance based one. So it leads to proactive quality culture in the organization. So we have certain motivation types such as intrinsic motivation, extensive motivation, achievement motivation, affiliation motivation, competency motivation, power motivation, and balance motivation. So these are the few types of the motivation. To derive by the person's satisfaction and passion, it is intrinsic one. But derived by the rewards, salary, and recognition, any the physical recognition, the physical monetary beneficiaries, that is extrinsic motivation. If anything achieved or setting focused on any, I think we are getting achieved, that can be achievement motivation. We can focus on those things also. By aiming to belong and feel accept in the team, that is affiliation motivation. So these are the few motivation types that will. Next, coming to the role of motivation in total quality management implementation. Motivation of for any person or the employee engage deeply in the problem solving techniques or the issues, which will also encourage the ownership of the quality at all the levels, which improves the innovation and creativity of the product or the service, which is also reduce the resistance to the organization changes. And for understanding the empowerment of their own, the empowerment gives the employee authority and responsibility. It is enables the faster decision making and problem solving in the industries or the organization. So this encourage initiatives and ownerships in quality activities in the organization, which build the trust between the management and the staff, which also reduce the micromanagement and promoters of the anatomy, which helps the understanding their employees as their own ownership and empowerment, cross-functional collaboration with other teams, which leads to better job satisfaction and the performance. The principle of employee empowerment is a clear delegation of authority and accountability, which give the open access to necessary informations and the tools. Also, it is superiority leadership for the foster trust to train the employee to enhance the decision making capability. The benefit of empowerment in total quality management is motivate our employees, which is a greater trust in the leadership, which will make the improved creativity, and a strong bottom line functional employee. So it improves the speed and accuracy of the decision making, also boosts the creative and innovation, where the empowerment of employee to meet and it exceeds the customer expectations. So challenges in the empowerment are lack of clear communication can cause the confusion, resistance from the traditional leadership style. Empowerment faces the another challenges in employee may fear of their responsibility without proper support, misuse of authority without accountability, lack of training given by the management or the organization to handle the problems by the employee, to handle the new roles, require culture challenges and changes within the organization, which empower the most balanced freedom with the structure. So coming to the team in the total quality management, Plays a vital role in the skills and the knowledge. Teams are the essential for complex problem solving. Teams promotes cross-functional communications. Team helps to solve a lot of problems and issues in the product life cycle, all the customer satisfaction or the quality or need of future aspects and the future adaptation. The teamworks lead to solve all type of issues which is there and support and motivation. So strong team drive the organization in excellent way. The characteristics of effective teams comes to they are need to be the clear goal setter and relevant. They need to have some relevant skills like communication, other leadership quality. They have the mutual trust among them. Unidentified commitments they need to find out. They need to have the good communication, negotiating the skills, appropriate leaderships. Internal support should be done and external support should be done so that they can be continuously leading and improve their leaderships in the team. So types of teams in the quality management is quality improvement team, cross-functional team, self-managed work to team, project specified team, process improved team, departmental or functional team, customer focused team or service excellence. For these are the few types. So based on the quality or functional or the project or the process or the department. So we have different types of quality management teams. Okay. Teamwork and quality improvement is another thing. If you have good team, if you have good responsibility persons or employees, which you have the good collaboration, which needs to team diversity leads and more creative solutions, peer support enhancing and individual confidence. It also helps the healthy, dynamic team to ensure sustained improvement of the organization. This TQM thrives on effective teamwork culture in the organization. The benefits of teamwork we need to understand. So before that, what are the barriers? The poor communication among the team member, unidentified roles and unclear goals, lack of trust and openness, conflict without constructive resolutions, unequal participation and engagement, resistance to the change or feedback, leadership failure to support team efforts. So these are the some barriers. And now coming to the role of leadership in motivation, empowerment, and teamwork. For any employee, there needs some motivation, empowerment, and teamwork, which is played by the leadership in a vital role. Leadership inspires, coach, and align with team missions so that the leader create a safety environment for the innovators. Its leads ensure the team cohesion and collaboration. These things makes the leadership to understand the motivation of the employees, mentoring the employees. They should follow some ethics. They should be the influencer of the team. They should support the team at any cost. They are the connecting member of the management. They should have very good communication skill. They one of the team member. They should focus on the vision and the mission of the team or the organization. Their contribution is very important in leadership role. So, on summarizing these things on motivation, empowerment, teamwork, motivation fuels individual and organization success, which leads to problem solving, customer satisfaction, people centric approaches for the success. So, this total quality management, motivation, empowerment, team, and teamwork, continuous learning, trust, and collaborative, so that is collaborative driven for the excellence of the organization. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.